How to get 12 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate free. Xbox and PC, new and verified method. What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a completely free and legitimate way to get 12 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, and it works for both Xbox and PC. That's right, completely free. So stick around and let me show you exactly how it's done. As you can see, I've got Xbox Game Pass Ultimate activated on my account. I'm able to install any game, which proves it's all included in the subscription. Let's check the details so you know exactly how I got this. To make sure you know this is 100% legit, let me go to my account settings. If I head over to my order history, you'll see the details right here. I've got a 12-month Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription, and as you can see, the total is $0. It was redeemed with a coupon code. Now, let me show you how you can get this same code, step by step. Now, to get this coupon code, it's super simple. All you need is your smartphone. Whether you use an Apple or Android phone, it works the same way. I'm going to show you exactly how it's done on my Apple device. Let's start by opening up Safari or any browser you prefer. Now, go to funzap.com. This site has tons of legit offers, and I've used it multiple times for great deals. Today, we're going to find the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate coupon, finding the coupon on FunZap. Once you're on the FunZap website, you'll see a ton of great offers, but for this video, we're going to scroll down until we find the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate offer. When you find it, you'll see a button that says Show Coupon Code. Click on that, but here's the catch, you can't see the code just yet. To unlock the coupon, you'll need to complete 2 simple offers. These offers are usually apps you need to download and interact with. It's quick and easy. I'll show you what I need to do. For example, for one of the offers, I need to reach level 9 in a mobile game, and for the other one, I need to reach level 8. These are super quick and should only take 3 to 5 minutes in total. Now, I'm going to download these apps and get to the required levels. I'll speed this up so you don't have to wait. Okay, now that I've completed both offers, it's time to go back to FunZap. If everything's done right, I'm going to click the Show Coupon Code button again, and voila, the coupon code is unlocked. Here's your coupon code. Now all you need to do is copy it and paste it into the Xbox store to redeem your 12 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for free. Now go to your Xbox store, paste the coupon code, and hit Redeem. That's it. You'll have your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription activated for the next 12 months, no payment needed. So, there you have it. That's how you get 12 months of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate completely free using FunZap. This method is totally legit, and it works worldwide, whether you're in the US, Canada, Europe, or anywhere else. If you try this out, drop a comment and let me know how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.